to show you once. So, for our geyser, remember that we start out and the water bubbles, bubbles, bubbles up, and then it explodes. So, and then, so bubbles, bubbles up, and then we let the breath go as we go out, and we jump out. You ready? So we're going to try that. You ready? Deep breath in first. Yep, so deep breath in first, and then we let it out as we explode. Ready? So deep breath in as we go back. And Lexi. Deep breath in as we go. We're going to do one more. You ready? Keep back mountain. Deep breath in.
Elliot, you're right behind her.
Okay, and now we're going to go to star pose. You ready? Everyone in our star pose?
Oh my gosh.
And we're going to fold. Ready? So we're going to fold and let our breath out. Ready?